So now we got that want is an extension to desire and demand is an extension to want. But for understanding the concept of demand, we need to study further the two important factors. Those two important factors are that demand is studied with reference to price. So first factor is price, and the second one is demand is also studied with reference to the time period. So the two factors are price and the second one is the time period. Talking about demand with reference to price, yes. When I say price, obviously we as consumers, the first most important thing which we look or which we consider while purchasing a commodity is the commodity's price. So, keeping all other factors which can affect our demand, as constant means we won't consider those factors when we are considering demand or when we are studying demand with reference to price. As price increases, demand decreases, and as price decreases, demand increases. So basically, with reference to price, there exists an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, but keeping all other certain factors as constant. Second one is demand is studied with reference to time period. Yes, at times we are in a situation that we don't have to look to price to purchase that commodity. For example, in case of emergency, in case of medical emergency, we need certain medicines. Then we don't consider their prices, we just need them. So here demand is considered with reference to time period. We will not look at the price. We are considering the particular situation for demanding medicines. Okay, like at times of rainy seasons, we need umbrellas. So if we are in need of buying the umbrella, we don't look at its price, right? So demand is studied with reference to price, keeping all other factors as constant, and demand is also studied with reference to time period and other factors. In that case, price of the commodity is being constant.